The liter is a unit of volume. It's a measurement of three-dimensional space. In this video, we will compare the volume of a liter to the volume of a quart and to the volume of a gallon. Let's start by pouring a liter of water into a quart container. This container holds exactly 1 quart of liquid at its top. Any amount over a quart will overflow the container. Question: can we pour the entire liter of water into the quart container? Almost, but not quite. The volume of a liter is slightly bigger than the volume of a quart. This is a quart of milk, and if we take a close look at the carton, we will see that a quart is equal to 946 milliliters. So we should have no problem pouring all of this milk into this 1 liter container. 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. Note that the quart of milk does not quite reach the 1,000 milliliter line. If you do the math, you'll see that the volume of 1 quart is 54 milliliters less than the volume of 1 liter. Now let's do the same thing with a quart of motor oil. The container says we have 946 milliliters of oil. So once again, we should have no problem pouring all of the oil into this 1 liter container. It's a little difficult to see, but here is the 1,000 milliliter mark. And here is the mark for the volume of the quart. The volume of space in between these two levels is the 54 milliliter difference. Did you know that Windex comes in a 1 quart container? Let's pour it into the beaker and see if the liquid level comes out about the same. After the bubbles disappear, it looks like the liquid level is pretty close to the level of the quart of oil and the quart of milk. Let's do one more, just to reinforce the visual in your mind. Let's try a quart of Powerade. This time the liquid level appears to be slightly lower than in our previous examples, maybe 20 to 25 milliliters less. But this kind of variation can be expected with the mass production of these products.